welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hack Pokemon Go on your laptop. So, first of all, we need to download Nox app player. So, open your browser and search Nox app player. I will give the link of this website in the description, so you don't need to worry about that. Now, we need to download this. As you can see, the download button here. Click on it. The download is started. It's 358 MB file. I'm not downloading it again as I have already downloaded. After downloading, you need to install this on your device. So let's open it. We need to wait here as it is initializing. Now click on custom. See where you want to install your app. I want to install it on my D, so I'm not changing that. Click on the install and reject this one because it's malware. After installation is complete, click on start. Friends, after the system is booted up, we need to download App Player and Pokemon Go. So, first of all, open App Center. After this, click on Google. Then click on Open in Play Store app. Sign in here. Just enter the email ID and the password that you have. After signing in, agree to this policy. Accept this. After installing Google Chrome, then search for Pokemon Go. As you can see, it's here. So just simply click on install, accept. As you guys can see that Pokemon Go is already installed, so I'm going to manipulate my location. Click on this option and after this open this one. As you can see, here is our map. You can select where you want to go. This is India where we live. This is India. I want to go to San Francisco. It is here. Fire 39 San Francisco. You can move your cursor here and there. Just double click on that and there we go. After setting up your location, close this and open Pokemon Go. Select your birth date and just simply log in as you do in your mobile phone. Submit returning player or a new player as you wish. Log in. for the first time, then it won't detect your location and just say authentication error. So you don't need to worry about that. We are going to fix that soon. As you guys can see, it's showing unable to authenticate. Please try again later. So you don't need to worry about that. Simply open Pokemon Go on your mobile phone and just log in there without opening your GPS, as it will detect the location of your mobile phone and won't let you spoof your location on this laptop. As I have logged in into my phone, now I can click OK and try again. This time this is going to open for sure. As you can see, our game started. As you can see, our game is already started, and we are in Fire 39, that is in San Francisco, California. You can see it's 100% legitimate way. Now guys, if you want to move and walk, so what you have to do is just simply open this menu again and put it here, zoom it a little bit and select wherever you want to go and move there. As you can see, as I have moved in this location, my avatar is also moving in the Pokemon Go. See, be careful guys, you might get soft ban by using this method, but it's 100% working method. Guys, it's 100% legitimate way you can hack Pokemon Go. I'm showing you that it's working. As you can see, it's working. This is my trainee code, so if you want to be my friend, then just copy it and share me your friend request.